Hiya, got another toilet problem. This time I have to replace the entire internal flush system, the siphon and the fill valve and everything. Oh my goodness. So that meant I had to take off the entire cistern. Look at this. This entire internal mechanism. I have to replace it. So I went to the building merchant and bought myself this bottom entry flush and fill kit. I'm hoping it's the right one. I'm gonna try and replace this. Wish me luck. Can I fix it? The challenge is on. Right, so first thing, I'm gonna have to undo this nut and this nut, and I'm gonna use my big grips. So that's sorted. Now I'm gonna undo the nut for the fill valve. So this is actually really good that I'm able to work like this. Really good access. Okay, it's all out. Hooray! It's all out. Goodbye, baby. Bye-bye. Okay, so that's that sorted. Now, put the new one in. I just bought a standard, which I'm hoping is gonna fit. We will find out. The only thing I made sure to do is to buy one that's called a bottom entry, because my water supply is coming from below. There's a side entry one, but that's not what I need for this. Right. And put the nut back on. This is really important that makes a good seal, because if you get a leak out of the flush valve, well, you have yourself a little problem. So I'm just gonna make sure I'm not using any silicone. I'm just tightening this, and ooh, nice, this is a good quality fill valve. It has a metal valve down here at the bottom, so that's good. So we'll put this in while we've got good access to our cistern. There we go. Okay. Right, now I'm just going to make sure I tighten them really well. I'm using the spanner for this one here. But you don't want to over tighten them either, because that's going to make it crack, because that's just plastic here. So one. Nice and tight.
but I'm not sure if I'm over tightening it at this point or not. I will find out the hard way. What is this? That came with the pack. That's the old one. It's got a funny name, that.
But I don't remember it. Monkey rubber?
No. Giraffe gripper? No. So I'm going to try and tighten this a little more. We don't want any leaks.
Look at my hands. Oh my God. Where's that from? Oh my goodness.
Right. This comes off, so I can just use the old one. I'm not going to put a new one in. I'm just going to leave the old one as is, I think. Well, you know what? Might as well splash out and put a new one in while we're at it. Might as well. Okay, so here we are. I'm happy with that. So now we're going to put this gorilla ring, gorilla wrapper. I don't know. You tell me. Okay, we're putting it back on, and we'll see how we're doing. Okay, that's nice and tight. Now, let's connect up this valve here. See that? No, you can't see that. There's the water supply valve. I'm just connecting that back up. Right, let's see what this does. Filling. That's good. That's what we want. Nice and quiet filling sound as well. Not like previously. It was just so noisy and it would just really wake you up. Keep you awake at night. Here we go. Fill. Stop. Wow, so far so good. That's it. Mission accomplished. Happy DIY.